Hey everyone, welcome back. Morning. Zoom had a great earning, but market is kinda choppy. Still hadn't filled that gap. It still has did make smaller gap on the downside too, if you include the wick. But it's trying to fill that gap. Looks like, but they really had a great earning. Okay. So what we have, SE as always, one of my I told so many times, SE right on this trend line bounced really well and had a great earnings. It was right around 50 days to if you added, congrats. I actually added few. I have some calls, so they should be up nicely. They should be up nicely. Let me see. Uh, so if I look at my account, and I'll go over all the chart, but looks like today gonna be one of those days, not too great days, but okay, VT, that looks good. I had SOS yesterday, so up a couple $100, so that's good. Yeah, somehow SOS is pretty good buy. Yeah, I had SE almost up, huge up, really doing well on SE actually. I think I made good money in SEs. If you guys got into Tigger with me, should be up 20-25%. I'm up almost 20%. Yeah, about 17-18. So it's a fluctuating. So even Amazon is up. Only thing is Fastly is not much up. Tesla Fuse is okay. Yeah, PLTR is not doing great. Overall, not a bad day for today for me. Okay. I think today there's lots of stocks. Yeah. I think we gapped up yesterday. It was like really up, so probably need some little bit consolidation. Uh, nothing. So what happened to Discord? Nothing happened, right? Beyond it, almost 147. Hmm. Yeah, Discord is fine. People's there. It's just uh, probably sleeping, napping out. But I'm gonna cover everything, whatever you need. But I'm gonna. So a lot of people ask me, right? So what are the leaves? What are the stocks I'm looking? This is my list, right? I always go. So this is Melly. I've been here since. So still, they had pretty good earnings. Not great, but pretty decent earnings. So I think it's probably gonna, yeah, pretty much all the stocks gap down today, but I definitely, this was my Fastly. I definitely see Fastly going to 95 in end of March or something. So it's been holding this area. As long as it's hold this area, that's good. Always bounce back. Uh, Roku, I think Roku was offering some kind, so that's why probably it's down. But Tesla is down to 2%. Apple is down 1%. I sold. Okay, Facebook is down a little bit. If it goes Facebook like 50s, I may actually get in. Oh wow, Futon is pretty flat. I want it down. I have covered call sold at 127 or 28. I don't want to get it sold. Okay, my snow is good. I have some snow. Okay, T Dog is up a little bit. Crowd always great. So these are the name, right? Apps. I've been screaming so many times. Like a lot of some people's do one-on-one with me, and a lot of people who did one-on-one, I suggested one guy, like he got like I think it was around 40s. Yeah, around 40s. He got almost 200 or 300,000 worth of apps. He should be doubled, like 40 or more than double. So he almost made $1 million. He had a pretty big account, but that's pretty good. BSC kind of going down a little bit, but still, again, had overall market is kind of to red. So this is good time to like look into the stocks and see where you can get opportunities to get some opportunities to add. For me, I'm not much. So I opened a little bit up, but I'm pretty flat. So BA is 120s. That's good. I sold Neo. Like I think Neo could be actually a good to add right now. Neo has been. I think their number not too bad. Again, these are like really high valued, but if you look at so Neo is kind of struggling in this area. 40s would be really good, but I think this is pretty decent point to add some Neo actually. I may actually maybe sell covered calls at 40. That's not bad actually. Let me see. I mean, sell puts. So selling puts, I make money if it goes up. So if I see Neo, if I do Neo weekly options and I'm doing puts and I wanna sell it 42. Yeah, I can do 42. So I'll buy Neo at 42 by end of this week and I get $100. If not, I'll get that no matter. So okay, okay, yeah, I'm fine adding new at 42. So that's why I sold. But if not, I'll just collect $100. Not a bad deal in my opinion. So see, one thing Nirvan I always suggest is don't add when you are like okay, lemonade. I'm gonna look into lemonade just a second. Just a second. Let me get that water. I'm gonna cover lemonade, and also we'll look into some of the stocks like you know which we can add. See, Nirvan, one thing is yesterday was earnings, right? I wouldn't really suggest like, and also yesterday was not a good day to add for long terms or something, right? If you're day trading, that's great. But yesterday we had like Neo was like 8 to 10% up, right? So you don't want to add on those days. Like if you want long terms, want to wait for pullback to a decent. Today is a I think good day to add actually. So okay. Lemonade and Squares. I'm gonna look into Square. Square just said they're gonna. So they applied for a bank and they're probably approved. So that's why they gapped up. Kind of. So yesterday 40, 49. Market selling up, so a little bit down from the open, but it's still pretty good. They gapped up today, right? So Square looks good. This is as long as Square holds 140. So this is my line, right? Respect these lines and always like kind of today we gap down, so not a really great play, but I definitely think if it holds its 40 44 levels, it's gonna go higher. And 78 bridge will be really good, but Square long terms I think it's still great. Probably we are right around 50, a little bit above 50, but yeah, 50-day bounce. Yesterday was 50-day bounce. We did pull back to 33, but yesterday would have been a great bounce, but what it is, right? So now Neo, I think it's below 50 day. Yeah, it's below 50 day, kind of struggling, but okay. See, it's kind of going up. So I sold, so I should be already up. So yeah, today is down significantly, but if you're long term, I mean, even if you got yesterday, you got it like 48, 49. I think it's not terrible. Should be coming to that price. But if you are short calls, that's probably a bad idea. Now, Lemonade. Okay, I'm gonna look into Lemonade. I think Lemonade is a great company. They've been growing crazy. So this is a growth story, right? Lemonade has been growing. Okay. Oh wow. Hmm. Last times I think this was my play, and somebody banked on this 122 to 185. Look at that. Uh, that's a what? I don't know why, but so it was like almost 33%, right? I mean, of course, I'm doing it down. That's why I chose down. But within 3 to 4 bar, it's like 33%, right? So that's a great gain in terms of. I think it's a nice pullback on Lemonade right here. Yeah, I feel like it could be good actually. So basically, yeah, I think if you are thinking long terms, Lemonade could be really good. I need to see. I may actually add some call today, man. This is just the overreaction, in my opinion. So let me see, right? So we're gonna look into. I don't have much buying power in Robinhood. But I'm gonna show you like how what I look. This is Apple call. Of course, not buying. So Lemonade is an insurance company, right? I think you probably heard a lot of ads on Instagrams and whatnot. I don't have this. I don't know why it's showing this, but LMND. So Lemonade, right? It's really sleek, really designed, like really great design. INMD is up significantly, and this is a good buy opportunity. So uh, and they've been growing really. If you look at their LMD, yeah, I think we can actually look into Lemonade earnings. So share little bit shareholder. Was this it? Yeah. See their design, like their even shareholder letter is really good. Look at this, right? In-force premium they call it. So basically quarter four 18 they have 45 million, quarter four 19 114 million, almost doubled, and 114 to not 224 quite, but almost double 87. That's a great revenue increase, right? So they've been growing almost 87 90% right? And other things you look at is gross earned premium. This is earned premium is 10 26 50 92%, right? And annual gross loss rate, there's loss, the money they're losing is kind of decreasing, which is a good sign. So basically they're very aggressive in advertisements. A lot of this growth company, like they're building their platform, they're building a lot of things, and also they're doing a lot of advertisement, right? So basically there's a cost to acquire a customer. It may be like 40 50 whatever dollar it is. You need to deep dive, but it just gets expensive. But as you go up, when you have enough customers, right, then you can literally, like, no need to advertise, people's are in there, right? And the other thing is, I think they started with renter insurance, then got into like pets insurance and whatnot. So they are kind of going to the other product misc. So you can actually read about a lot of good things, right? So I actually briefly went and I really liked it. So I may actually um, yeah, that's a yeah. Customer counts increased 56%, almost 1 million, right? So think about the US has almost like 250 million people. So 1 million is pretty small numbers. And I feel like it's really good. When I was looking for insurance and kind of home insurance, and I found it really easy, like a lot of others, like really quick, really nice UI. Even the rates were really cheaper, so I think a lot of things they are doing is like really cheap rate just to attract customers. But once you are in platform, they can increase dollar, you won't even notice, right? So that's what they're doing, and I think they will keep increasing. and once they increase, then that's when it comes to profitability, right? So this is Lemonade story, and we are looking at the leap. So where can we see? If you go to January 2023, right? So it's still pretty high, but if you look at like maybe 50, $40, if you don't have much money, maybe you can do like buy call and sell. If you do, yeah, this is not bad. So if it goes like, it will increase a little slowly, but this looks pretty decent actually. So that's almost like in 2 years you are looking at 4x, right? So 400%, that's your max profit. So I don't know how's the volume and everything, but looks pretty good. 32 bid ask will be always skewed, but yeah. Okay. Yeah, I may actually get some leaps. And if you're looking leap, you can do, if you have money, I would suggest like 100 call. Yeah, 100 call, not bad. 56. Yeah, there's quite open interest. 55, 58. Yeah, 100 calls pretty good. And if you don't have much money, maybe go 150 and plan to sell. But 100, it's, look at that, right? For 100 you're paying 56. 150, it has to go $50 up, right? So um, basically you are looking at 43. So think of, that's why if you get deep in the money you get value, but of course your percentage is higher. So I'm more skewed towards 100 actually. So I may actually grab some 100 call, 100 lead call. So yeah, I think Lemonade is a great mm, mm, man, as I said, it just keep increasing. I put the, let's see if it increase. Oh wow, it's freaking going up. Okay. I think it's just overreaction. Probably should come, but we'll see. I grab some couple. So yeah, I guess somebody was asking about Lemonade, but okay, thank you. Unity Software Morning, CRSR. What do you think is going on? CRSR, CRSR. It's a great company, CRSR. But I think it was kind of, yeah, yeah. So right around kind of, yeah, 33 seems like absolute like low it went, but it's kind of struggling though, man. I mean, it's clearly in downtrend. We had this. I even got in right around here, and I sold it once it came back, like it was coming down. Like I took 10-15% loss. Glad I did it since it dropped so much. But if you look at trend line, it's just clearly in a downtrend, so not really touching it right now. I think it has to come back up once it crosses this 42. That's when I see it. But if you are long term, it's a great stocks though. But volume kind of dying down. Even the red volume is dying down. So yeah, I don't see any good setup right now. Probably long terms doesn't matter. You can add it, but I don't see any good swings or short term. But this is a good company. I actually researched about it. Their numbers look really good. Another one I'm looking is Vail. I know Tiffany, she's always kind of pumping Vail, but I think Vail, I basically missed this in my one of those videos. Also, guys, like I made a video like five stock to buy right now, and the day I bought it, if you got it, you should be up. Like I had apps. Look at apps, right? Almost up like what? Huge up. Oh wow, 99 today breakout. Yeah, I think it's touching. Oh, it's already $100. Yeah, I was kind of saying, so I'm already in it, but I had this one right around here like 70s, right? So man, if you got in, that would have been great. 70s, 80s. So that's 20-30% within few days. So I had a few others to check it out. Its video is right there. Okay, snow is doing good. I like that. Putan. Stop, Putan. I don't want you to go up. Yeah, snow is pushing finally. Yeah, it's above this support, so I definitely expect. I wanted like 85 or 86. That's when I plan to sell. But anything above this 50-day lead, that's when the real good gonna happen. But the volume is really dying down, and the red green kind of. So I think it's maybe accumulations going on. A lot of accumulation going on. But snow is slowly curling up. That's a good sign. Another was GRWG. Let's see how it's doing. Oh man, look at that. This was right when I said it was in 40s, 43, and boom, look at that, right? 53 within few days. Like, if you have not checked it out, actually, it should be there. But yeah, let me see XPEV. How's XPEV doing? Okay, wow, it's in really spiral. Sorry who got into 70s, man. This is clearly not an earning coming up, so it may even go down and fill the gap downward. Jeez. But Neo. I think Neo is not that bad. It's still up high there. Okay. Glad I put it right. I think it was 44 I sold puts, so it's an easy $100. Yeah, yeah. Square is really killing it. Oh, I think somebody says Unity software. I'm in a leap. I am kinda it's not doing great, but I'm still in. Okay, it's kind of curling up slowly. So I got in right around here actually. Like I got in with the sell off. Yeah, I got in 119 with the sell off. Like we went way down. I added one more somewhere around here. So I'm still down, but not down when it was here. So it's still curling up. I think it has a gap to fill. It's gonna fill a gap, but I have a leap, so I'm not really worried about it. And this will come back. I'm pretty confident this will come back. Look at the volume, a lot of volume increasing too. So yeah, definitely, I like this. Okay, yes, it's still doing good. Wow, Zoom's almost gave back all the gains. Oh, look at the square, right? Slowly pipping up right almost from here to here. Uh, where's Roku at? Need to add. Okay, I had here, I guess. Yeah, Roku with that news 414. Yeah, I think 400 area would be really good if it goes a little bit more down. Let's look at Amazon. Okay, good, great. It's working exactly. Look at that. It's even aligning my trend line. That's funny. My target was not that, but this is working perfectly. I actually played. I made a video in my TikTok about the exact play I was taking, right, for the Amazon. And if you got in, like, great. So if you are not in my TikTok, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you are not in my what do we call Twitter, don't forget. Yeah. What are you guys holding? What do you guys see? Any good? I grabbed SOS. I think I told, like, I grabbed some SOS and that was quick small money. That's funny. It's like exactly it's working as a trend line. This was not supposed to be a trend line. This was just basically my thesis was it's gonna go up, maybe bounce back, then kind of go up by a month or two, but working pretty good. Still not huge, but how's Fastly? Fastly is like crapping out today. I think I had the exact plan from Fastly too, but still good. Uh, kind of downside right now, but oop, oop, oop. I think it will eventually do that. But yeah, this is good area to actually add in Fastly, in my opinion. So Fubu CRM. Okay, Fubu. Okay, Fubo, right? Not Fubu. Okay, Fubu. I am in it. Yeah, it briefly went below 50 days, above 50 day. That's good. So as long as it holds 50 day, that should be good. But lot of earnings coming up, so earnings gonna be probably hit or miss. Maybe they will sell on the earnings. How was the last earnings? Okay, last earnings it did went up and kind of rallied, looks like, but we'll see. Earnings is gamble. I wouldn't suggest earnings, but I'm here for long for this one. I have a leap, so I'm not worried. I'm still holding. I got in like yeah 27.30, so I'm up like 40, so that's I'm up, so I can do the expected move pretty easily. Yeah, I think that could be a good play. I mean, with the stimulus, gold and silver should moon. I think that's what. If you look at the past, exactly that's what happened. Also, silver seems like went from almost 27. Oh wow, silver hit 27, almost 28. I didn't know that. Okay, I was not following silver for a while, but um, yeah, buy gold for your wife, guys. Gold and silver mooning. Okay. Um, Yeah, right on 50 days below. Yeah, I think you could add small positions. So usually with the stimulus, if you can track down, maybe just back test whenever we had the stimulus probably shoot up. So um, I definitely expect it's probably going to 26, 27 again. QQQ 227. I haven't seen QQQ. Let's look at QQQ. Okay, look at that. Like really in the up channel, kind of went down. Uh, Above 50 there, that's a good sign. So yeah, 26 to 30. Yeah, you do have some gap fill, but usually gap fill play, like you don't really get in right here, right? So you don't know, so maybe we are gonna go down. You go whenever it reaches that level, right? 326, that would be a good time to get into like bullish right there. Then it's right now, let's say you're getting right, what if it goes down and up, and like you just lose your premium depending like if you are options, right? So usually wait till it reaches like a 327, whatever the gap start is, then you get back. Today is iffy day. Otherwise, you are just losing money, right? You are paying more for it. So, man, apps and SE are absolute monster. Yeah, yeah. Okay, I think that's a good. Isn't IAU? I think it's an ETF, right? Yeah, I said Gold Trust. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, and it has been like really. Yeah, I was kind of looking. I think so. It did break the support. So yeah, way below 50 days. Man, it's 19. Wow. Gold has been down significantly. Yeah, seems like it's trying to find a base right around here. So maybe if you get in, put a stop loss right here. Just it's going down, maybe 16, because it's not much. So yeah, 45. I think if you put like stop loss at 16, that's pretty good. Get out if it goes 16 and you're playing for 17, 18. Yeah, that's not bad actually. And that looks like a absolute support right around 16. Yeah, 1595, 16. If it goes below, it's probably going down, so put your stop. So that could be a good. But look at that volume, like lot of selling on gold though. I don't like that. So RKT, rocket companies. Oh wow. I know somebody was accumulating rocket right around 19s, right? Who was it? Congrats to you. Was it Jason? I forgot, but I remember somebody. So after the earning, looks like they had a good earning. I didn't follow their earning, but oh wow, estimated. Okay, so they surprised by 21, 24%. That's pretty good. Wow, they're profitable already. So yeah, yeah, 19, that would have been really, so 26. Oh wow, so 26. I think this was it. So they gapped up to 23 and so close to 21. Oh wow, that would have been good, good. But look at that volume the next day. Gap up, big volume, gap up, big volume. Oh wow. Yeah, this looks good. I mean, I think it went up to 34 before, but yeah, uh, huge gap down though. So I don't like that. It's just like way too up, but yeah, looks great though. I'm long T-Doc. I have so much in T-Doc. Uh, yeah, I think earning was not much as expected, so had a huge sell up, but slowly curling up. Even if it's red, it's kind of going in the up right direction. But anything upside need to be like above that 50-day. That's when. But one thing was it did rise for no reason. I think Kathy added so almost from 198, it was sharp, almost $100 within few days. So whenever you have those kind, usually it just needs some excuse to correct. So in this time it was a earning, so basically they pretend it is a bad earnings. Then basically Wall Street kind of loads up, in good volumes, and so probably they're loading up, and then boom boom. I think it's a great time to add. I added more leaps actually on this dip, so we'll see. Oh, congrats, Jason. That's awesome. So they pay special dividend. They pay. Oh wow. Was it the news they just announced right now or what? Oh wow, that's great though. That's a 1,000 bucks, right? Special dividend with 1.11 in 800 shares is not bad. Like 2,000, so 16,800 shares. Oh, that's good. I think you can even sell covered calls right now. They're pretty up. What do we call? RKT. That's my name. Yeah, it's like nice. Look at the volume though, man. Man, this was like 20 was like good support. Wow, I should have probably added right around here. I didn't add it, but man, that was. Look at that, always bouncing off this area, right? Pretty much bounce, pretty much bounce, pretty much bounce. So, wow, that was quite a move. See, great area to add, great area to add. This is great area to add. This was great area to add. Man, well, congrats, Jason. That's good. So okay, what did you say you are looking for? Whale shares or leaps long term. Okay, so Whale has really good number. So I was looking and it's right around like 50 days. So again, uh, yeah, you can have leaps like I don't know how far. A lot of these companies don't go that far, but I like Robinhood just cause I can just I don't need to download any option chain. Like I can just go here and do the things. Will. Yeah, you can get like more than stocks. You can get in the money calls, right? So if you get like not 5 March of course, but you can get to 23. If you get 10, yeah. Oh, wow, this is cheap. I'll probably order right now actually. 785. I don't think I have much buying power. Just good for a day. Next cost. This is what? January 2023. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, I know that. Okay, done. I just purchased Whale. Well, that was my first trading live, I guess. Anyway, I definitely think it's a great number. It's kind of curling, so probably peoples are adding. The red days are down, so it's basically setting for big blast. I feel like it did hit 18, 19, so 16 would be good, but again, you cannot really time it. But I'm bullish on this. Great numbers. Alright guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe the channels. Follow me in Twitter and TikTok, if most of people are in TikTok as well. Uh, if you have not enrolled into course, don't forget to enroll in a course. A lot of people requested if they want all my plays and whatnot, so I may actually like add something for that. And other than that, that's about it today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, hopefully tomorrow, and probably make some videos, so watch out for those. And also, if you have any request on videos, if you want to know something, let me know. But beside that, have a great